Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video without blur. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for watermark remover, and there will be some websites you can use to remove watermark from your video, but I recommend you to visit this website, Online Video Cutter. Okay, we're going to use this website to remove watermark from our video. Okay, and I'm going to upload my file to this website. You can choose the video you want to remove the watermark from. I'm going to select this video, for example, and click on open. Okay, and we're going to remove the watermark. We can draw, we can draw on the watermark like this. Okay, you can customize it until you're satisfied. Okay, perfect, and click on apply. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the watermark has been removed from my video. I'm going to play the video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from our video without blur. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!